Hi, I'm Alexander, and here we are with René of Paris for that great time again. It's colour of the month. What have I got to talk about today? This amazing red shade is Autumn Sunrise. And yes, you've guessed it, it's in the style Leoni. Now, what do I love about this colour? Well, I like it because it's got a root. So it's got a chocolate toned root, which is really important because this allows it to be worn by multiple different people because the root really tones in the skin tone. So that's great. So it's a red which has, if you see, we've got like elements of kind of coppery blonde, burnt toffee. We've got some like orangey, tangerine kind of apricot shades in there. But then when you look over here, you see those wonderful shades together. It really gives it an absolute blend of autumnal shades. Hence the colour Autumn Sunrise, because it looks a bit like a sunrise. Love this colour. What do you guys think? Let us know what you think. Leave some comments below. This is Autumn Sunrise in the Alexander Couture Collection in the style Leoni.